What is anti-racism and how does it relate to your dignity and recognizing dignity of others? This spring, Global Dignity and YMCA Helsinki have been facilitating workshops on anti-racism, and I'm inviting you now for a 3-hour discussion around this topic to get a richer understanding, stay rooted in who you are, recognizing your unconscious bias, and taking a meaningful stand. It's been a rich learnings for me, and across different countries we came together and learned how inclusion, diversity, anti-racism, dignity are all intertwined together, and that we need each other in a sense of recognizing our voices and recognizing our needs to be different and learning to bring that forward in all our communities. So join on 26th of May from 15 to 1800 Finnish time, and I welcome you warmly to come in and get learnings, get insight, and share and pass it forward.